Hi Polywog friends, and this is some Japanese learning time. Today let's learn how to say dog and the cat in Japanese. First, dog. Inu. Inu. Let's say it together. Ready? Inu. Good job. In the States, dog cries woof woof, woof woof. In Japan, dog cries wan wan, wan wan. There's a difference. Next, the cat in Japanese is neko. Neko. Let's say it together. Neko. Good job. Do you know what cat cries like? You're right. Like meow meow, right? In Japan, we express cats crying like nya nya. Isn't that interesting? Let's say both words one more time. First, the dog. Inu. Next, the cat. Neko. Good job, my friends.